So hi guys, welcome back to Algorithm. Hope you guys are good. So today I wanted to show you something. A lot of people have been asking me, why don't I do like let me just add this a bit. Why don't I do some more of manual testing? So I wanted to show you guys something. We put it in the box. I'll go into my Tinder directory. Okay. So we have we did a katana URLs main crawl. I think this main crawl is what I wanted because let's see if we cut main crawl.txt and pipe it through the word count -l, we get 4402. So what I want to show you today is how we can do a POC on what is it called, SQLi, that is SQL injection. Okay, uh, let me just show you what I mean. So for this main crawl.txt, we have if we cut it, this is the one that had all these. Don't know if we have one with the equal sign. I'm not sure. It had all these links. So what I want to show you today, if we pipe this through grep and we grep an equal sign, so this is what I want to show you today. If you find something like this here with a question mark here and an equal sign, most of the sites might have SQL injection, not all of them, but most of them. So for example, I wanted to show you this site that I was looking into. I read what is it called, a disclosure on it. So I want to show you some few things of how you can do the SQLi injection, the SQL injection, I mean. Okay, so we'll cd back into the documents. Then they're still in the box. Then in here, since we have like these three, this is what we've done. So we'll do, we'll make a directory for it. Make the site is called level, so I'll just write level. Then we cd into the level. So if we clear, I'm going to nano. Let's call it revel db.txt. So what I want to show you today, we'll go into that revel. We'll see some SQL injections. So we'll write SQL injections. I like to do this first. SQL injections. This will work. Okay. SQL injections. Then in here, I'll write all the functions that I'm going to use today. Then for the Revel site, what I'm just going to show you is the database name. Database name of the sites. Maybe we'll see the version, the database version. Database version. Maybe a table or two. Maybe table or two. Okay. So the site we're going into up is revel.com.ht. Before you go into this site, please remember this is only for educational purposes. Please don't go into other people's sites and start hacking without their permission or without maybe a bug bounty program. Okay? I hope that disclaimer was very clear. I hope that disclaimer is very clear. Okay, so I don't want to, let's just go here. We'll go into that site level .com.ht. Now where the ht? ht level.com.ht. Problem loading. What the hell? So let's go into it. Level.com.ht. Not ht, sorry. It's hk. What is happening? Not ht, it's hk. Sorry about that. So here is hk. So I might use some here one. Then I'll put there the SQL that I've used, the injection that I've used. Okay, it's opening now. So this is the site revel.com.hk. So it was established in 1990. It's an electronics company. It's organized for many brands, professional grade electronic components, yada yada yada. Okay, so you can go. So I hope you remember all the things we did in recon. If you take this revel.com and running through the recon process we were doing of collecting the subdomains, doing the capture all URLs, that's what I'm talking about. You'll get this revel.com.hk as one of the links. Then after that, you can go through all these. You can read through it. You can go into all these links, but let me just show you what I want to show you. So we'll go into the product, then we'll go into the just any of these. Let's just take the first one and AC power switch. Okay, if you remember what I've just been talking about, Control Shift R. Here we go into CD docs. Come on. Oh no. CD dot. So if we go into Tindo, less. So if we cut the main clone, this was the txt that had all the katana URLs, the Go URLs, and the wayback URLs, and pipe it through grep with equal sign. So let me see. This is what I'm talking about. So here, as you can see, HTTPS revel.com English product. Already you know it's using PHP. I don't know if I have my appalizer. I'm okay with that. So it's using all these Cloudflare, jQuery, Nginx, and PHP, even Slick. And it's using HTTP too. That's okay. So here, as you can see this link, after the PHP query, you have the ID is 152 and the PID is 161. I think this PID is the product ID, which we have here as the little fuse. Yes, the little fuse. I'm not sure this ID is. But okay, let's start the, so this is what I was telling you. If you come to sites that have that query, it's easier to find SQL injections on them. So let me add this so you can see what I'm writing here. Okay, so the first thing that you should try on SQL is just an apostrophe, just that. So if you hit enter, as you can see here, it's sanitized it. Okay. But here we have an SQL error. So you have a syntax error. Check the manual that consequence on your MariaDB server. So we have already noted that the database version, the database version is a version of MariaDB. That one is noted down. Write syntax near. Probably in this, let me see here. Select star from album kit where SQLi equals to and ACID equals to. I think the problem comes in here. Can I expand this? It can't expand. So take this. Let me take this. So MariaDB. So shit. This is where the problem is, right here. This is supposed to escape this, but I don't think it's doing its job. So that's why there's an error. And also, if we can check here, select star from album kit. This album kit means this is, sorry, shit. Let me just grab it all of it. So album kit means this is a table. This is a table. So let me put here one dot. That is a table. I don't think I'll show you too many tables, maybe just only that. So back to this. Here we have the SQL error, syntax limit 1. So what should we do next? We should see how many, what's it called? How many columns are in this database? Okay, so here we'll grab that and let's do order. So I don't know how many they are. Let's start with 500. So order by 500. If we run it, it's running. We have here a unknown column. Let me start with 100. Let me start with the 100. Shit. Okay. Let me start by 100. So unknown column 100 in order close. This means that they're probably less than 100. So let's do like 50. The columns are less than 100. Let's see. Again, unknown column. So let's go down. and do like 10. So there's no error in 10, which probably means that it's more than 10. Let's do maybe 30. I don't know if you can hear the rain. It's raining over here. 30 unknown column. So it's probably less than 30. Let's do 20. Let's see if 20 there's no error, meaning it's part of it. Let's do 21 and see. So 21 unknown column, yeah. So in this we have already found that there are 20 columns in this database. How do I know that there are 20 columns in this database? So order by means that you have to arrange the number of columns in the database either by ascending or descending order. So if you put it a number above the actual number of the database, it will bring an unknown column, meaning it doesn't exist. It can't solve something that doesn't exist. If we put here 1, probably it won't show any what's it called? Any error, because 1 is part of that column. 1 is part of the numbers of column. Up until 20, we've seen there is no error. There is no error up until 20. We've seen there's no error. Okay. Okay. So let's try to combine the results of this query. And for that, we can do with what's it's called, the union select. So union union select. We have 20 columns, so we have to write all of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Let's do again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So here it's 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Should. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 20. What happens if we do that? Will it bring an error? I don't know. So nothing happens here. But we've seen that there are 20 columns. So meaning there's something happening, but we can't see it. So what should we do? What if we try to change this 61, the product, I think it's called the product ID, what if we change it to a negative number? What if we change it to a negative number? A negative number might reveal some hidden information, if you didn't know that. So let's try. Let's try it. So here we get there's a product line 16, 16, meaning there's something 16 does. So if we come up here on the URL, let's edit it out. Let's try to find the version of this database. So if we type that, and here we have it. So as we uncovered earlier, it was on MariaDB, but we didn't know the version. So we take that, we copy paste here the database name. So control shoot. How come didn't I copy this? Let me copy. Okay, so we come here. The version of this. So the database version was 5.5.65. You can go and check if there's anything on this, if you can exploit it. That's what we do. Okay. So what I'm left here to show you, we have found a table. We have found where the error is. We have found where the error is. The only thing left is the database name. On that, we'll still come back here, edit this version out and write database. Database. So here we have the database name. We have revealed Revel as the database name. So the database name, we have it here as Revel. So that is all I'm going to show you today. I hope you enjoyed this POC. If you like this kind of content, you can type in the comment section. Also, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to me. And also like this video so that it can be recommended to a lot of people. And I'm grateful to all of you. I guess thank you for everything. I'm grateful to you. I want to start sharing my knowledge, so I'll be doing some live sessions. Hope you people enjoy live sessions where you can ask any question you feel like. If I have the capability to answer it, I'll answer it at that moment. So we're starting from the ground zero. So we're starting with probably on tomorrow I might be busy, so probably on Sunday, that will be the 20. What's the date today? Today is the 26th of July, so that will be on the 28th of July 2024. I might do a live session, probably. We'll look from the beginning, so we'll do some HTML, probably some JavaScript here and there, check on some exploits, on some vulnerabilities, I mean. So yeah, again, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to me. And that's that. Thank you for being here. Capiche?